Hey everyone, welcome to round 2. This hand is good enough for me, just need a forest and we're in business. I haven't had a chance to look at this guy's replays, so don't know what he or she, as it might be, is running. White, apparently. Okay. Ah, Throwing Bird, awesome. Just need a blue source. Yeah, I've been thinking over. I probably need like one more island or something if I'm serious about running this blue cards. I mean, I've been doing okay. I've been doing too great though. Oh, hand. Okay. We just need lands. Lands would be awesome. Yeah. Oh, I just went out mana. Claw mirror. Dun dun dun. And play a creature so I can Contagion Clasp it. Board Battle Gear. That might be annoying. So he could do 6 damage, so I have like 3 turns, assuming he doesn't do anything else. That is fun. Come on, green. Or swamp. Alright, I just need a 4th land then. No point in playing out Contagion Class. So I think it's put, so I would kill my mirror. Let's see if he wants to choose the aggressive route. Whatever. Yep, can't do anything here. And I won't be able to do anything on your turn either, so F4. Go to Nern. So he's a white Metalcraft. Man, if they don't, I could play this at instant speed. But he's gonna hit me for 6. And I can't do nothing about that. Can't do nothing about that. Unless I get a blue. Oh man, I could. Alright. Glue talk. So yeah, that's what the golden urns are for. Yep. Yep. I may have to Contagion Clasp that. I think I will. But first I'm going to swing. There's no point in me not to. Because at least I could proliferate once if I draw a 4th land. Yeah, I didn't have to show him that, but yeah. I'm sure he expects some Contagion Clasps running around. And it keeps him from putting Battle Gear on that. I think I need blue, and assuming he doesn't have like Arrest. I don't have either that or Grasp of Darkness would work as well. Otherwise, I'm dead. I don't know if I saw any Stone Infections. Those would have been helpful too. With that and 4th land. But here we go, taking 7 in the air. Board Battle Gear is good. And a Shikari, yes. Yes. Thank you. Well, those are my 4th land. Well, I could proliferate and kill. But yeah, I'm dead. But I'm gonna swing in still. I'm not gonna show him hand. That was kind of unfortunate. If I had... Well, I need green more so than the fourth land. Yeah. Nothing else. Yeah, I guess the shuffle is acting all weird. Let me take a look at my mana. So he's white aggressive. I don't know Metacraft, but he's definitely got a lot of early beats. So, I kind of actually do like Throwing Bird. I kind of like a series Archers. That would definitely be good. What do I take out? Hand is meh. Slice is good, at least. Cannon Call, I think is still good. Flesh Allergy, maybe. Yeah. Actually, Lux Cannon. Let me see what my other spells. Here's a Disperse, not too great. There's Nitrogen Scudder. Actually, you consider that. Nitrogen Scudder. Bladed Pinions. Yeah, I think I do Nitrogen Scudder actually, because he can block in the air, which is important. Nothing else. Flesh Allergy I think is a bit too slow. So, yeah, I think this is going to be my deck. Lux Cannon. The word is not yet ready for your brilliance. Need some deck, okay. Let me take a look at my mana before. 3 sources. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By color. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then... Nah. Jeez. I'll risk it one more time like this. Yeah. I consider myself just not lucky. I think with that. First game. Yeah. Alright. Submit.